the 2020 Jeep Gladiator. This 4-door, 5-passenger truck is waiting for you to take home. It features an automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, heated seats, heated steering wheel, a tonneau cover, skid plates, and cruise control. Jeep also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.